Guess what? I got a silk press. Yes, I did get a silk press. No, it wasn't on my actual hair. Yes, I will show you how I achieved that look. And welcome to my channel. The hair you just saw in the preview is right in this beautiful box. And it's hair from QVR. Let's open it up. First of all, let's get into this box. It's so beautiful, perfect for a gift. It's also International Women's Month, so this is a good gift idea if you're looking for something to give people. And the hair, oh my god, this Kinky Straight V-Part wig is so beautiful. I just love how the inside of this wig has been constructed so well. It looks so neat, it looks so beautiful. But I've never used a V-Part wig ever in my life, so this is gonna be a first for me. It's a natural black color, which I love so much. It's 22 inches and it has a lace bit in front which you can cut to open it up. Okay, so first off, I have these old twists that I've had for a while, and I'm just gonna put a wig cap right over it. I'm going to just put the cap a bit halfway because I want my center part. I am not leaving any hair out. I'm so nervous because I just don't know how this will turn out. I've never used a V-Part wig before, so this is a first. For me and for you watching me do this is a first for you too. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the rest of this middle part, or should I cut it when I put on the wig, which is easier? Okay, let me put it on and then cut it after. I just love how it has so many clippity clips. Okay, here goes nothing. This is so exciting. All right, let's do this. Okay, I need to clip these parts. Okay, maybe I should have cut it. Okay, I think I need to cut it. Alright, first things first, let's cut this front part. Let's separate the V in the V part. Apparently it's so easy to install, so this is right up my alley because I really don't know what I'm doing. Little to no experience with wigs, so this is quite interesting. I'm honestly not sure if I'm putting this on the right way. Maybe I should have gone from back to front, but here goes nothing. Okay, so I think I need to make sure the front is secure. So let me open these. I'm starting off by clipping the front of the right side very carefully because I'm very conscious of the clips not pulling my own hair in front. This is supposed to be a quick protective style. I don't want to pull my edges or lose hair in the middle of my head. Look at me getting so excited already and giddy at this wig. Who knew I would love wigs? Anyways, I digress. I make sure I secure the wig at the back using the clips and the drawstring to make sure it's quite secure and does not come off. Okay, that was a bit harder than it looked, but I did it. This is the hair, unstyled, fresh out of the box. Let's style this hair, shall we? Okay, random thought while I prep my hair to style. Imagine me in public with my wig and then it falls off. Oh my god, I definitely don't want to experience that. Have you experienced your wig falling off? Let me know in the comments. Safety first, because I don't want to burn myself. Actually, I think I'm supposed to put it on this hand. First things first, remember to put on heat protectant before you start applying heat to your hair or any of your human hair wigs. You have to treat your human hair wigs like you treat your hair for longevity. I am working in small sections of the hair starting from the back and straightening each section very carefully because I don't want to burn myself and I want to make sure each section is straightened quite properly. At first, I started passing the hair straightener through the hair twice, but at one point I realized just passing the straightener through the hair just one time was enough to straighten it. And I love the fact that it's not even making the hair flat at all. It still has a bit of body. And just look at the immediate difference already. This is so cool. Just to also point out that this hair is beginner friendly and quite quick to install. It's perfect for DIY styling in minutes. And I am proof because I rarely use wigs and I don't know how to style them. So if you're looking for a quick, easy wig, this is one for you. Look at the difference between silk press and non-silk press. This is actually so cool. It feels so light. Okay, I can't wait to do this side. Obviously, I'm not a pro at silk press. This is probably my second time straightening my hair. Straightening a hair. I mean, it is my hair, right? It's on my head. I am already obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna go straighten the rest of this off camera. And I absolutely love the natural Kinky Straight texture because it just mimics my own hair if I did a blowout on my own hair, so it looks quite realistic and closer to my hair texture, which is great. Just cut the front a little bit. Never done this before, but let's see how it goes. I think I have to just cut like tiny pieces. I barely did anything, I'm just so scared. Another thing I love about this is because it's breathable and comfortable. One of the reasons why I'm not a fan of wigs is because I just get headaches and I just feel like it's too heavy on my head. This is definitely scalp friendly because there's no glue or lace, which is music to my ears. Frames my face a little. I don't even need to tell you how versatile this is to style. As you can tell, you could even curl it if you wanted. I can literally put mousse on this and do a curl. Oh my god, I can't even wait to do a braid out on this hair. It'll look so nice. I want to just point out and be real with y'all because I feel like I could have done better with this center part. Even though this is my first time doing a V-part wig, I feel like next time I will do better for it to sit naturally in the center part of my head, but I still love it. Also, without it being too snug on my head or too tight, it fits quite well. It's actually quite secure, so I have no fear of it falling off because I have that fear of wigs. Okay, I am not the queen of silk presses. Like, I haven't done that many in my lifetime, so if it's not like bone straight, I tried. I would rather do a million braids than straighten a head of hair. Too much. Anyways. I love this hair, it's beautiful. I think next time I'm going to do a leave out just to see what my hair would look like blended with this hair. Obviously I didn't do a good job at like cutting the front, but I tried, you know, A for effort. I really love the hair so much. It is beautiful, it is easy, it is quick, it is versatile to style, and you can literally just put this on in 10 minutes and you're out the door. Minus the straightening. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section if I did good or if I still have a lot to learn. I mean, I know I still have a lot to learn. This is my first time doing the V-part wig, so yes, A for effort. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share my video as well. It helps my page a great deal. Don't forget to press that bell so you get notifications for videos like this where I try to experiment with wigs. Thank you so much. Bye.